The cost of living in Paraguay is generally lower than in most South American countries. Housing is affordable, with rental prices attractive. Paraguay offers a variety of markets and fairs where fresh produce, meat, and local goods are available at very competitive prices. These options allow residents to maintain a good standard of living without spending excessively, making the country an appealing destination for both locals and foreigners seeking a more economical lifestyle. How much does it cost to live in Paraguay? The cost of living in Paraguay can vary significantly depending on the city, personal lifestyle, and individual spending habits. However, even with a modest monthly budget, it is possible to enjoy a good quality of life in the country. According to data from the Numbeo website, the average monthly expenses for a family of 4 living in Asunción, excluding rent, are approximately US $1,592. For a single person, that figure drops to around $447, no rent. When compared to mid-cost city like Houston, Texas, USA, this represents a cost of living reduction of nearly 65%, making Paraguay an attractive option. When rent is included, the monthly cost of living for a single person in Paraguay increases to around $850. However, it's important to note that, according to Numbeo website, rental prices in Asunción are rising above average. A quick search on a local classifieds website revealed some listings for 2-bedroom apartments with garage spaces in the central area of Asunción, with rents averaging around $270. Based on this, the total monthly cost of living for a single person could realistically be estimated at approximately $770. Food. The average monthly grocery spending for one person in Paraguay is around US $150. When it comes to markets, there are 2 main options: municipal markets and commercial supermarket chains. Municipal markets, such as the popular market of Abasto, offer a wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, spices, and meats at more affordable prices. These markets are ideal for those looking to save money while still enjoying fresh, local products. Eating out in Paraguay is generally very affordable. There is a wide variety of options available, from street food and simple snack bars to more upscale restaurants. Prices vary depending on the type of establishment, but it's possible to eat well on a daily basis without spending much. A traditional chipa, a typical Paraguayan bread with a cheese filling, costs around 50 cents. Other popular street foods include empanadas, filled with meat or chicken, and meat skewers, each averaging about $1. Salted corn cakes, another common snack, are also found in many eateries for approximately $1 per piece. In mid-range restaurants, a complete meal typically costs between $3 and $10, depending on the dish and location. In more sophisticated or high-end restaurants aimed at a more demanding clientele, the cost of a meal can reach $20 on average. Public transportation in Paraguay is still developing and has some limitations. Buses vary significantly in quality. Some are newer, equipped with air conditioning and better maintenance, and charge around 50 cents per ride. Others are older and more worn down, with fares around 30 cents. All public bus fares must be paid via a transit card. Cash is not accepted. For greater convenience, app-based transport, such as Uber or Bolt, is widely used and fairly inexpensive. A typical 5 kilometers ride costs approximately $2. Traditional taxis are also available, but generally more expensive, with the same trip costing around $5. Healthcare. Paraguay's public health system is free and covers medical consultations, hospitalizations, surgeries, and essential medicines. However, the quality and availability of these services can vary significantly from one region to another. It's not uncommon to encounter long waiting lines, overcrowded facilities, and shortages of medical supplies in some public units. Public ambulances are designated for serious or emergency cases with many daily appointments. In several cities, volunteer fire departments also provide rescue services, particularly in traffic accidents. In areas where basic care is accessible through the public system, many people still choose to complement it with private health care. Private clinics in Paraguay are relatively affordable when compared to other South American countries, with medical consultations typically ranging between $20 and $40. Another widely used option is private health insurance. These plans usually offer better infrastructure, faster service, and ambulance coverage. Basic plans start at around $50 per month, while intermediate and full plans with broader coverage begin at approximately $70 per month. These more comprehensive plans are especially recommended for families with children or elderly members.